Do you know what is ringworm? It is a ring shape caused by fungi called dermatophytosis. It can be seen on scalp, skin, feet, and nail. Good morning, how can I help you?
Good morning, Doc. I have a ringworm. The itching is unbearable.
Is that so? How long have you had this?
About a week, Doc. I've tried applying ointments that I bought in pharmacy, but it hasn't done.
Okay, it doesn't seem serious, but we still need to treat it properly, prevent it from spreading, and give a prescription for a more effective antifungal cream.
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
Ringworm, it can be spread to skin contact, contaminated surface, like using towels, clothes, shoes, hairbrush of an infected person. For the treatment of ringworm, you can apply clotrimazole canesten twice a day. Make sure to wash first the infected area with soap before applying clotrimazole canesten.
Clotrimazole canesten is an antifungal medication used to treat ringworm infection. It works by killing the fungus that causes the infection.
For the prevention of ringworm, wash hands always. Don't share your personal items. Keep your skin clean and dry. Avoid direct contact with an infected person or animals. Remember, staying safe depends on keeping your bodies clean.